Welcome back, history enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Historic Sites. The Hanford Site played a crucial role in one of the most significant scientific achievements of the 20th century, the development of the atomic bomb. During World War II, the U.S. government chose this isolated location to build nuclear reactors as part of the top-secret Manhattan Project. Hanford became the largest and most productive nuclear weapons production site in the world, covering over 500 square miles. Its remote location, situated along the Columbia River, provided the perfect cover for the sensitive work that took place here. One of the most iconic structures at the Hanford site is the B Reactor. This massive reactor was the world's first full-scale plutonium production reactor. It operated from 1944 to 1968 and played a crucial role in the development of the atomic bomb. Walking through the B Reactor today, you can still see the control room where operators carefully monitored the reactor's operations. It's truly a fascinating place that allows us to glimpse the important scientific and engineering innovations that shaped our world. But the Hanford site is not just about atomic bombs. It also played a significant role in the Cold War. The site expanded its production capabilities, contributing to the U.S. nuclear arsenal and ensuring America's strategic defense. After the end of the Cold War, the Hanford site began a long and challenging cleanup process. The decommissioning and environmental cleanup efforts at Hanford are considered one of the largest and most complex in the world. Thousands of workers are involved in the cleanup process, working tirelessly to address the environmental challenges caused by decades of nuclear weapons production. It's an ongoing mission to restore the land and protect future generations. One of the most significant environmental challenges at Hanford is the contamination of the Columbia River. Due to the decades of nuclear operations, the site has released radioactive materials into the river, making it a critical area of focus for the cleanup efforts. Despite the challenges, the Hanford site reminds us of the immense scientific and technological achievements that shaped our modern world. Today, a portion of the site has been preserved as the Hanford Reach National Monument, allowing visitors to explore the history, wildlife, and unique landscapes of the area. The Hanford site, with its rich history and environmental challenges, serves as a reminder of the profound impact that scientific discoveries can have on our society. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the past. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Historic Sites if you learned anything today. Until next time, stay curious, my friends.